guys, welcome back to my podcast with me Hani Rida Mutar-Mutar in Hani's podcast. Okay guys, today we will discuss about importance of literacy in terms of tourism. In my opinion, this topic is very interesting nowadays. Okay guys, this time we have three speakers, namely Ekma Ekmaya, Risa Tamara, and Fanny. Okay guys, you can introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Ekma Ermaya. Hello guys, my name is Fanny.
Hi guys, my name is Risa Tamara Kamila Putri.
Okay guys, how are you today guys?
I'm fine. I'm feeling good today.
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine too. Okay, back to podcast discussion on this day. We have discussed about three important points. The first is we will discuss about importance of literacy in terms of tourism. The second is we will discuss about the problems faced in community literacy. The third is finally we will discuss about the potential of halal tourism. As I can see from your blogs and videos, guys, you have visited a lot of tourism attraction, right?
Yes, that's right.
I think this topic is closely related to your experience, guys. So I will ask to you guys. My first question is, what do you think? Why literacy is important?
Okay, I will answer your questions.
Yes.
In my opinion, why in terms of literacy is important? Literacy is a general term that refers to a set of individual abilities and skill in reading,
Yes.
writing, speaking, calculating, and solving problems at a certain skill level which are needed in every life. This literacy culture is very important in order to realize a superior country. This advancing the country. Our current condition is at the time when there is a flood of foundations.
Yes.
However, there is a lack of really quality and useful information.
Yes.
The low interest in reading is caused by many factors, one of which is the lack of an environment for reading and discussions. Reading alone is the foundation on which all the other important skills are built. Literacy can impact your life and help break the harsh social cycles that sometimes surround you. The ability to read, to draw conclusions, and to solve problems in a fundamental human right. So it has an impact every day in life. If we have a high literacy level, we may have a change to make our life better, and opportunity to make our family better, opportunity to make the city and even the state of Indonesians better in the future. Literacy can make a difference, have a big impact with all the questions that come with it. This is my answer.
So literacy is important. Like we will give the big impact to our life, right?
Yes, right.
Okay, guys. How about you, Fanny? We will next to Fanny.
Okay. I think literacy is very important
Yes.
because it fosters knowledge in the surrounding community, especially tourist attractions around it. Having good literacy skills in the community makes the village or city develop and develop. I think enough.
Wow. Okay. How about you, Ekma? Why literacy is important?
I agree with Trisa and also Fanny.
Yes.
So literacy is a general term that refers to a set of individual abilities
Yes.
and skills in reading, writing, calculating, and also solving problems at a certain skill,
Yes.
which is required in certain day-to-day life. And therefore, literacy cannot be increased from language skill. Literacy can be a means for us to gain knowledge, information, and broaden our horizons about everything that can make our mindset more critical and analytical. Literacy skills will greatly facilitate humans to communicate effectively, and especially for the current condition where all the information can be found easily in the internet, So filtering and interpreting the information are very important. And at this time, the power of literacy skill is needed as a tool to
Yes.
process information into something that may be useful. I think that's all.
Okay, thank you. Next answer, Ekma. So guys, literacy is important because literacy is a set of individual abilities and skills in reading, writing, and calculating. Okay guys, we will next to the other question. The second question is, what do you think about why community literacy is important in tourism? What about you, Risa?
Okay, the importance of community literacy in the terms of tourism,
Yes.
it's very important for people to know literacy about tourism.
Yes.
With the literacy of people who study in terms of tourism, the community can increase tourism with local people and outsiders.
Yes.
Tourism is one of the social cultural products that provides significant contributions to the development index of a country. Tourism products and dynamics are increasingly experiencing sectoral expansions, including the management of environment, nature, culture, and local wisdom of each region. Therefore, tourist satisfaction in traveling is now not only based on completeness of facility and natural beauty, but also flexibility, interactions with local communities. Many areas are known as destinations tourism but still not accompanied by the richness and of the surrounding community. As a result, the tourism potential around the area is not managed properly. The lack of professionalism in tourism management, as well as the potential overexploitations of the tourism sector itself, to overcome these problems. The Indonesian Literacy House community tried to initiate various community of empowerment efforts by instilling tourism goals and values through awareness and skill training. This is done so that the community can independently develop region as a part of tourism destination in Indonesia. Literacy is a person's ability to use the potentials and skills in processing and understanding information when doing reading and writing activities. Another opinion says that the nations of literacy is individuals' ability to process and understand information when doing reading and writing activities. In other words, literacy is a set of skill and abilities of a person in reading, writing, arithmetic, and solving problems in everyday. In other respects, the role of Indonesian Literacy House community and improvement of community tourism literacy. If we look at the definitions,
Yes.
the literacy community is a group of people who are independently activity in organizing literacy missions. There is quite a lot not nowadays. Reporting in the mass media and social media about the existence of the community literacy in several cities in Indonesia. Quote from the page inspires from break.com. Several communities that are passionate about transmitting literacy in Indonesians include the football community, Taman Baka Investors, Indograms, Book for Entity, and many more. Literacy also plays a central role in development of one competence as the base of education. Through someone literacy will able to organize information actually and effectively. The impact that can be felt is that someone will have the potential to creating knowledge. I think that's all.
So literacy can in terms all of people to know about tourism, like give information to people to understand about tourism. That's right. Okay, how about you, Fanny? How about you, Fanny? What do you think about community literacy is important tourism?
Literacy in society is very important
The high level of community literacy culture will greatly affect their lives. By reading a lot, the mindset of people's lives will move forward and move out of the poverty zone towards a prosperous life with the literacy culture. Thus, to improve the welfare of rural communities, the government must make effort to provide innovation to improve literacy culture from the community. I think enough. Wow, next answer from you guys. Okay, we will move to the next question. Are there other opinions about literacy? Since this topic is too broad to discuss. How about you, Fanny? I think literacy is the language ability possessed by a person in community. Yes. Like reading, speaking, listening, and writing in different ways according to the purpose. Indefinite briefly, the definition of literacy is the ability to write and read. Okay, Fanny, thank you for your answer. It is nice answer. Okay, we next to other question, guys. Then, how is the development of literacy for rural communities? How about you, Emma?
Yang mana anjir? Oh, yang develop di
Iya.
desa.
Iya.
Mana?
Woi, baru 12 menit, woi masih lama nih anu, woi. Anak sudah pertanyaan.
In village kan? Iya benar-benar. Ulang lagi nanyanya.
Okay, guys. So we next to other question. Then, how is development of literacy for rural communities? How about you, Emma?
Okay, thanks for the question.
Yes.
So, in my opinion, the development of literacy in the village or rural has started to improve because previously there were more than 60,000 villages that had not been touched by books.
Yes.
But now, many groups have realized this and form a reading movement, socialization, and a facilitation of villagers, such as building a library in the village. Such as the Reading Village movement organized by the Indonesian Love to Read Foundation or YAGEMI and the Indonesian Publisher Association or
Yes.
IKAFI. Then the establishment of a mobile library such as the rotating of library book entry system, which is a program from the government and based on the analysis of several students. It turned out that the book was actually read and some even use the book so that the quality of their agricultural products increase. So, in my opinion, literacy in the rural area is currently quite well developed.
Wow. Okay, guys. Next to Fanny. Fanny, are there other opinions about literacy? Seems this topic is too broad to discuss. Literacy is the language ability possessed by a person in communicating, like reading, speaking, listening, and writing, in different ways according to the purpose. If defined briefly, the definition of literacy is the ability to write and read. According to the Big Indonesian Dictionary, literacy is the ability to write and read. However, the meaning of literacy actually has a more complex and dynamic understanding, not only understood as the ability to read and write. According to Elizabeth Soulsby, literacy according to a person's ability to speak and communicate, where the person not only has the ability to read only, but also have the ability to listen, speak, and write. From the Elizabeth said above, it shows the literacy is the main factor so that a person can develop and be literate in knowledge through reading. At least through reading, the individual will have skills other than knowledge. For example, having other skills in the field they have read about or something like that. According to Harvey J. Graff, agree with the opinion of Harvey J. Graff, which means that literacy is a person's ability to read and write. At least with these two things, people become more literate in science. The knowledge gained from reading is what can also hone good communication skills and improve the quality of life because it has other additional skills. For example, being skilled at writing books and getting royalties of or the like. Understanding literacy, according to Jack Good actually, is also the essence of the notion of literacy, namely the individual ability to read and write. But in my opinion, literacy is very important because of the importance of the role of literacy. It is able to determine the credit point of a country. Call it countries such as Japan, Europe, and America. Community has a high awareness of literacy. It is very different from Indonesia, where literacy awareness is still very low. In general, here we can see the countries that have a good awareness and understanding of literacy, the easier to invite to advance their country. It is proven that these countries are also developing rapidly from the many sectors. According to the Merriam-Webster Online Dictionary, the opinion is literacy is the literacy ability of individuals, where literacy is not only defined as literacy in the true sense, for example, reading books and the like, but it also includes the ability to read and understand ideas visually. This includes when viewing billboards and posters. Because not everyone is able to translate and understand the visual message displayed, that's why many billboards are often accompanied by short sentence message to make it easier to understand and read the message. According to UNESCO, you must be familiar with the one institution or the United Nations Educational, Science and Culture Organization. This is ability to read and write. Indeed, for some people, reading something boring it is because of this boredom that most end up lazy to read. Let alone reading, writing it is also lazy. Therefore, many literacy fighters fight for public awareness of the work of reading. According to Alberta, disagree with Alberta, he defines more critical of the words of literacy, where when someone reads and writes, in addition to gaining knowledge, they also hone skills, think critically about existing problems. Because after all, having literacy skills will also provide many advantages for an individual himself. For example, have a broader perspective. The wider the horizons of course, the more open they are in dealing with problems, conflict, or in addressing life problems. According to Alberta, according to National Institute for Literacy, according to the above opinion, literacy is defined as the ability to read and write. According to the National Institute for Literacy, it's also included in the ability to calculate and solve problems. Not many people realize the ability to count is included in literacy skills, because in general, literacy skills are only defined as reading and writing. According to Cardone, interpreting as a search of knowledge that builds the individual's imagination. Not only that, literacy is also defined by Cardone as a means to explore and seek knowledge. Of course, science will affect many things and change the new things of the individual. According to Goody and Kern Goody, literacy as the ability to read and write. Unlike Kern, who defines literacy as having 7 educational principles, where the 7 principles include interpretation, collaboration, convention, culture, knowledge, problem solving, self-reflection, and language use, where the 7 principles influence each other. That's all about my opinion.
Okay guys, nice answer Fanny. I'm amazed with your answer. Okay guys, we next to other question. Then how is the development of literacy for rural communities? Maybe we begin with Emma.
Thanks for the question.
Yes.
So, in my opinion, the development of literacy in the village or rural has started to improve. Because previously there were more than 60,000 villages that had not been touched by books, but now many groups have realized about this problem and formed reading movement, socialization, and facilitation of villagers, such as building a library in the village, such as the Reading Village movement, organized by the Indonesian Love to Read Foundation or YAGEMI and the Indonesian Publisher Association or IKAPI. Then the establishment of a mobile library, such as the rotating of library book entry system, which is a program from the government. And based on the analysis of several students, it turned out that the book was actually read, and some even use the book so that the quality of their agricultural product increased. So, in my opinion, literacy in the rural area is currently quite well developed.
Okay, how about you, Fanny? How's the development of literacy for rural communities?
With ECMA opinion, my opinion, the literacy development of rural communities is still low at this time. The lack of interest in reading in the local community also affect tourism in the area. Literacy must be carried out so that the rural communities realize the importance of increasing literacy skills as an effort to build a resilient community in dealing with various problems in life. But related to the impact of the pandemic and as capital to face problem in the digital era, responding to the problems of the low literacy culture of the Indonesia people, the author hopes that every village must have a village library. This is line with the program implemented by President Jokowi, built from the village. Procurement of libraries in every village is very efficient and effective. Efficiency in terms of community outreach that all people, both marginalists and not marginalists, can read books in their village library, then the value of its effectiveness can be seen in increasing public knowledge and increasing public literacy interest. Thus, when all people plunge into other areas, the people are able to pay intellectually. It is also hoped that the critically thinking pattern of the community will increase the development of procurement of village libraries can be realized by optimally utilizing village funds. This means that when the village holds a village development planning meeting, it is obligatory to quote village fund for library construction. I think enough.
Okay, Fanny, thank you for your answer. Next, we will next question. Wow. Okay, Fanny, thank you for your answer. So we next to other question. Ekma, what causes the problem of tourism in an area that is still lacking?
Okay, in my opinion, one of the causes of the lack of foreign tourist visits to Indonesia is the tourism promotion factor. The number of tourist attraction in
Masalah apa?
Anjir. Tunggu nanti masih balik lagi itu.
I think one of the causes of the lack of foreign tourist visits to Indonesia is because tourism promotion factor. So the number of tourist attraction in Indonesia still not supported by maximum promotion. So it is only natural that only well-known areas continue to receive an increase in foreign tourist visits. Meanwhile, other tourist attractions which actually have very good tourism potential are less well known to foreign
Si suara motor.
Hah? Ribut nih orang ini.
Pertanyaannya apa?
Nah, Sir, gara-gara podcaster nah lupa aku, Sir.
Banyak budget.
I think one of the causes of the lack of foreign tourist visits to Indonesia is the tourism promotion factor. The number of tourist attraction in Indonesia is still not supported by the maximum promotion. So it is only natural that only well.
Pulang dari awal.
Enggak, langsung mingguan. Meanwhile, other tourist attraction which actually have very good tourism potential are less well known to foreign tourists because of the lack of promotion and the lack of the promotion to the Minister of Tourism, Arif Yahya, is due to the lack of budget received by the Ministry of Tourism.
Okay, Ma, thank you for your answer. It is the great answer. Okay, we are next to our question. Does literacy play a big role, Ekma?
I think nowadays literacy plays an important role in tourism,
Yes.
especially digital literacy, because with the internet it makes it easier for people to be able to obtain various information and establish communication. And the internet can also be used as a tourism promotion medium that is able to quickly reach the whole world. Digital literacy is one of the effective digital tourism strategies in promoting leading tourism potential through digital platforms. And the tour cycle carried out by the tourists today starts from information search, accommodation, booking, and payment is now done by digital. Changes in lifestyle make tourism actors must also be able to adapting from
Mas kelihatan HP kau? Ya.
digital literacy is one of the effective digital tourism strategies in promoting leading the tourism potential through digital platforms. And the tour cycle carried out by the tourists today starts from information search, accommodation, booking, and payment is now done by digital. Changes in lifestyle make tourism actors must also be able to adapting from conventional methods to digital ones. And the importance of the role of literacy is evidenced by the income of the tourism market in Indonesia, the largest given by the strategy of digital tourism.
Okay, thank you, Ekma. Okay, guys, this is the final question. What is the potential for halal tourism in Indonesia? Okay, Lisa.
Okay, in my opinion, the halal industry has a tremendous potentials and is able to create jobs. Indonesia has a lot of potential that can be developed, one of which is halal tourism. The high potential of halal tourism is influenced by the needs of tourism which have become part of the lifestyle. Halal tourism is starting to develop and become a lifestyle along with the increasing number of the world Muslim populations. Indonesia also managed to occupy one of the world's best halal travel destinations. Versions of the Global Muslim Travel Index 2019. Halal tourism itself is a tourism concept that is friendly to Muslim tourists in terms of the availability of worship facilities and halal food according to Islamic law. Halal tourism is not religious tourism. Halal tourism is intended for the general public but is equipped with service for Muslim tourists. Although now being hit by a pandemic, various efforts have been put in place so that industries such as halal tourism can continue to run as they should. We also still need that, so it's allowed to understand each other so that we can run the tourism industry in our country, especially in Indonesia. I think that's all.
Okay, how about you, Fanny? What is the potential for halal tourism in Indonesia?
I think Indonesia has huge halal tourism potential.
Yes.
In addition to having the largest Muslim population in the world, Indonesia also have various tourist destinations for the development of halal tourist potential. It is my opinion.
Okay, guys, finally we have finished our question. Thank you for answering my question with your great answer, guys. So the conclusion that I
I can get
I get sorry guys. So guys, the conclusion that I had
Karena ada saya cepat.
From
I
all
I
the
gave
answer.
I
From
Ini udah sih.
apa sih?
So from all of the discuss about
about
we
tourism.
can conclude it that we can conclude that
Okay guys, thank you for Okay guys, finally we have finished our question. Thank you guys for answer my question with your great answer. So the conclusion from our discuss is about that literacy is important because literacy is a set of individual abilities and skills in reading, writing, calculating, and solving problems at a certain skill level, which is required in certain daily lives. Therefore, literacy cannot be improved from language skill. Literacy can be a means for us to gain knowledge, information, and broaden our horizons about everything that can make our mindset more critical and analytical. Literacy skill will greatly facilitate humans to communicate effectively, especially for the current condition where all information can be found easily on internet. It's a very important thing. At times like this, the power of literacy is the tool to process information into something that might be useful. Okay guys, thank you for joining and coming to my podcast. Your answer is so good and give information to all of people who watching my podcast. So I think that's enough from my podcast today. Thank you for watching my video. See you on the podcast. Bye bye guys.
See you.
See you. Thank you.